Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S80 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar by clicking on it. Then click on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. After that, you need to choose Allow and tap on the date above. Then pick one of it and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. After that, you can customize your event however you want to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature completely, so CRMs click by tapping on the switcher over here. You can also add location by tapping Allow, typing whatever you want to, and clicking on the chosen one. Set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, click Done, and even take notes. When you're done, click on Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can turn it off completely, delete it, by holding it. Come on. And clicking on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Delete and confirm your choice by clicking on Delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!